Well, I attempted growing peanuts from seed. Last year I grew one peanut plant that the home base had them in 4-inch pots, starter plants. Anyway, we grew them, it was successful, and I thought this year I'd start them from seed, especially since I've got this new greenhouse built. Anyway, so I found these on Amazon. They're Virginia type peanuts, Champ peanut, and it's 50 peanuts for, I think it was $12 or maybe $12.99 for the pack. I mean, they're basically just raw peanuts. Reading the reviews, it was kind of mixed. Some complained that they were out of the shell. Some complained that they were in the shell. They complained that if the peanut is split, that it won't sprout. Anyway, it did have a couple of split ones in here, but overall it looks pretty good. Anyway, I tried two different methods. I planted them in 4-inch pots. The instructions say plant it 1 to 2 inches deep. And then I wanted to kind of keep an eye on things. I can't really dig in there to see what's going on. So I did the baggy method. So I put 6 of them in a damp paper towel in a Ziploc bag. And today is February 15th, and the seeds came in on February 9th. So it's really been a short amount of time. Anyway, yesterday I opened up the baggie and they were sprouting. And lo and behold, the next day they popped out of the dirt. So we actually had success with both methods. Not all of the potted ones have sprouted yet, but so far it's showing that we're going to get a decent sprout. And I just did 1 peanut per plant. Anyway, this one kind of looked moldy, and that was part of some of the comments. Some people said they rotted before they sprouted. I don't know, this one might not be viable. But out of the 6 I planted, 5 of them sprouted. Looks like this one's sprouting, but it doesn't look very healthy. Anyway, just a little bit about peanuts. They're a warm weather crop. Like I said, this is February, so those are going to go in the greenhouse. The rest of the peanuts I'll plant probably in a month in little starter plants like this, so I can put them outside. They're kind of like potatoes, but how they produce a peanut is interesting, because they produce a yellow flower, and then from that yellow flower it sends a stem out of that flower down into the ground, and that's where the peanut forms. And when I say it's like a potato, it's best if you hill it. So after the flowers start fading, you start hilling it. So which means adding more dirt to the bottom to make sure that these stems, or whatever they're called, that are in the ground, that they're fully covered in soil. Anyway, pretty neat little deal. I'm pretty excited about this. I mean, if you think about a staple food crop that can store for a long time, I don't think we talk enough about peanuts. Anyway, I should keep you updated with my peanut plants as we progress, because like I said, these are going to go in the greenhouse, and then probably in May I'll be planting some outdoors. You guys have a great day.